Hey there everybody, welcome back to another video. This is where I have built a model car and I am now going to show you this model car. So this is a Salvino JR models kit here, old 1972 Richard Petty Chrysler Plymouth. I'm not sure about this. This seems kind of very redundant to me. I'm not 100% sure. To me this looks like a regular Roadrunner. So we'll just call it the Chrysler. So this car here, he drove the 72, he drove the Chargers, but pretty positive this was a Daytona 500 car. So, very nice box. It's all around. Is there a year on this? Yes, a 2023. So, it's still a fairly new kit. So, this is our, the old Dodge Charger, Dodge Charger, Plymouth GTX, whatever, Roadrunner model kits. Usually pretty good. And this one here, if you've watched the previous video, I have a complaint about the decals, but I'll show you what happened here, and we'll go with this. So let's just stop looking at the picture of the box, and let's just go over to the car. All right. So, first off, I just want to say these model kits are awesome. I love the stance on them. I love the way they look. These old 70s NASCARs here. So, first off, let me tell you here, the plastic comes in blue, or I should say the model kit comes in a blue plastic. You could just use that to put the decals on. I painted it a white and then did Tamiya TS23 on everything. Because that is a close petty blue and I love it. In fact, here underneath the hood is not painted. That is still plastic, you can see. That is pretty freaking close. Anyways, roll cage goes together very, very nice. Chassis here, real nice. Decals for the gauges, I like that. Nice little steering wheel in there. Fire extinguisher, seat. Looks very good. Like I said, we flipped it over here, not a lot underneath. Looks good. Engine, rear suspension. It's got a real nice stance when you put the body on. Let's look at the engine here. Engine is pretty sharp. If I can get the focus, there we go. One little problem I have with the engine is the breather caps here sit a little high and my hood doesn't quite sit. So if I remove those, which I am going to because I'm going to put it in a case, make the hood sit better. I just used the regular, it was actually Rust-Oleum dark blue for the wheels there because for some reason the petty cars had dark blue wheels. Alright, let's talk about the body. All the parts on the body go together pretty well. You got to put like the rear bumper on, the airfoil, the front nose piece here. So the Salvinos, they give you the on some of the newer ones here, they give you the red decal. Let me just say, I would like the decal if it was striping, but on a big one like this, I would have painted all this. So as you can see, I can't quite get the decal to line up there. There's a couple marks in the decal there. It just did not want to sit right. It cracked, it peeled. Over here, it kind of looks funky. I was not happy, and I did a video on that, which had got a lot of reception on it. But I took a lot of microsaw, a lot of microset, let it sit, and eventually it started to grab. When I was putting them on, they just wanted to sit straight. They did not want to curve to the body. And then when you tried to curve them, you know, like press them on there, you know, like a rag or whatever, then they wanted to crack and break and all that. So, other side here. First off, I want to say that I started with the middle decal here and then worked backward forward. On this side, I actually started with the front and then worked my way backwards. And that came out a lot better. And the decal just, for whatever reason, worked a lot better, worked a lot nicer. Like I said, a lot of microsaw, a lot of microset. In the front here, I was really worried about these. There's decals here that wrap around the inside of the body here into the grill. This one came out perfect. I had no issues with it whatsoever. It kind of wraps underneath the car here. Real nice. This one here cracked and broke and everything else, and I had problems with. I actually filled it in with a piece. There's actually supposed to be a decal right here. I didn't put it on. So what I did was I just kind of filled in over there to kind of blend it in. So after, like I said, I did a video of a bitch session on the decals. You just need a lot of patience, you know, for, like I said, for striping, You know, if you just gave me the two red stripes like on some of the later STP cars, you know, I'll take that. But if it's the whole side of the car like this, next time I'd just recommend painting it. That's my personal thing there. So, all in all, it didn't come out too bad. I'm actually pretty pleased with it. They are power slide decals, so the rest of the decals worked out really, really well. Even around here where the hood has a little lip, I thought it was going to be goofy. It actually came out real nice. I love power slide decals personally, so I kind of don't want to say anything bad about power slides because I've used them on a lot of NASCARs and they're just beautiful. Whole body, I don't want to do that again. So that would be my tip on that. So, like I said, this kit didn't take me too long to do. You know, I'm a big NASCAR builder, so these kits, you know, slight challenge, but they go together real nice. Alright, so this is what I got here. This is my 1972 Richard Petty car. Kind of want to get some more Richard Petty cars to do to keep building my Richard Petty collection. But, you know, time and money are a thing here. So one of the reasons also why I started up front here with the decal on this side was because I was able to lay the decal properly, whereas over here, the decals didn't quite line up. So yeah, that looks a lot better on the driver's side. So we'll definitely display it on this side. Alright everybody, don't forget afterwards here I will have a little slideshow of the car, so you can take a look at it at your leisure. I appreciate everybody watching this video. I appreciate everybody watching my other videos. Hey, if you're not subscribed to my channel, I want to say go ahead and subscribe because there's a lot of cool stuff going on in this channel here. 2025 here, I got a lot of cool things planned. So, appreciate y'all sticking with me, and I'll keep doing these videos. Alright, everybody. Wherever you're at, whatever you're doing, I hope you're having a good one, and I'll talk to you guys later.